Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to install Snapchat Pixel on Shopify. So first of all, just go ahead right here and open up your browser, right? And what you're going to do first, if you want to, add Snapchat Pixel to Shopify, what you're going to do, you're going to first create your account or Snapchat ads manager, and then click create account, and then follow the on-screen instruction to set up your business account. And afterwards, in the Snapchat ad messenger ads manager, click at the snap pixel on the left navigation menu, create snap pixel, and then provide the name, a pixel name, and choose currency and time zone. So basically, after you've done all that, get your Snapchat pixel code. And now that you have created your Snapchat pixel, you need access to a pixel code. In the Snapchat ads manager, under the snap pixel, click on your newly created pixel, and then in the snap pixel details select a section, click view view pixel code, and then copy the pixel code provided, and then go ahead to your Shopify, and then log in your Shopify domain or admin dashboard, and then go to the online store and select preferences, and then scroll down to the additional scripts section, and then paste the Snapchat pixel code into the additional scripts box, and then click save to save your changes. And then now afterwards, you need to verify after adding the Snapchat pixel code to your Shopify store. It's essential to verify its installation to ensure it's working correctly. Snapchat provides a pixel helper tool for this purpose. Here's how to verify your pixel. In the Snapchat ads manager, on the snap pixel, click on your pixel, click on in the snap pixel details tab, and then under your install snap pixel, you will find the pixel helper tool, and then click verify the snap pixel installation, and then follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.